What's up guys, we're here with the boys. We got Pat Outdoors, Uncle Ritchie, and Taiho is here as well. We're getting ready to go on a group ride, and I figured I would let Pat get some hands-on with the Motow double e-bike carrier. It can carry 2 e-bikes, 200 pound load limit, but we've got just our Talaria on here. The battery is inside of it, so about 125 pounds, no issues. And you've never used one of these before?
No, I'm actually looking for a rack myself.
Okay, I'm literally just gonna walk you through it, talk you through it, and you'll see how easy it is.
Yeah.
And you just got an SUV yourself, right?
Yeah.
And you're waiting on your hitch?
I'm waiting on a hitch,
Yeah.
but I don't have an actual bike rack.
Okay.
I'm using a dirt bike rack right now, so I have to strap my handlebars, and
okay, you'll see.
it takes me 10 minutes to unstrap my bike.
Got it. You'll see how easy and quick this is, and then when I put it all in my trunk, you'll see that it breaks down. It's modular, it's tiny. The whole thing is like 27 pounds.
Cool.
So first thing you want to do is undo the ratchet strap here. You can just pop it from here. I'll do the other side just to make it quicker. And then you want to undo the knob back here. Now clearly this is easier with 2 people, but usually it's just me by myself and no issues at all. All you really want to do is, if you were by yourself, you would move the back wheel over to this cradle, then come over to this side, move the front wheel over, and then repeat that until the bike is on the ground. But since there's 2 of you, you guys can just lift and slide it straight out onto the ground.
And booyah.
That's it.
That would save you so much time.
And then to break it down, slide this up, slide this pin off, and pull that out.
That's pretty slick. That's super light. Is that all aluminum or?
Yep, it's stainless steel, so it doesn't even rust. Yep.
So Mike, I noticed.
Look how heavy that is. Compared to like other racks where you have a huge platform that doesn't fit in your trunk,
Yeah.
this literally fits in any trunk. Like when I had my Model 3, it was always in my trunk. And I had nowhere near the trunk space that this SUV has.
So I got a question for you. The other rack that I saw you, it had like a motorized mechanism. I noticed this one doesn't have it.
That's the Hitch Lift, so that connects in between.
Ah, gotcha.
So if this was like an RV or like a race truck like yours, then you could use that to lower the whole rack down, get it on easily, and then raise it up. Yep.
Okay.
And both of those together cost less than like your average like rack.
So how much is that kit?
The kit with the Hitch Lift is $1,200, but just the rack itself is $695.
$695.
Yep.
But with Rustyroads discount.
If you use our code, you get a free locking stainless steel hitch pin at checkout.
Okay, quick update here, folks. Since we recorded this, our discount codes have doubled, and now we have 2 different codes you can choose from. The first is Rustyroads with a $sign at the end, which gives you a $50 discount off of any e-bike carrier or the Hitch Lift. And the second code is simply Rustyroads, which gets you a free stainless steel locking hitch pin. This means you can choose the code that best fits your needs. Okay, sorry for the long pause. Back to the video.
So you get a little kickback, a little free gift. And then you get the most badass e-bike carrier in the market. And it carries 2 bikes. With the batteries off, yes. Yeah, when I had the Unicycle version and I was doing the comparison video, I would just pop the batteries off and they both fit on there perfectly, no issues.
That's what's up.
Yeah, you guys saw how easy it was. Motow double e-bike carrier. Follow Motow, use our code, and we're getting ready to go on our ride. Peace.